Should do a review on this Chevy Traverse. It's just like the GMC Acadia. Drives real nice. Not gonna do a review on it, but I should. All right, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave, like always, and you found do it yourself, do it right. Well, you can't tell, but you can see I'm up here in the North Country. I'm in Ohio. It is literally 18 degrees outside.
God damn it.
Feels like temperature was -1 when I flew in at the airport. Why am I in Ohio? Well, because I'm up here doing a check-in on the old Ford before it gets painted. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so here she is in all her not glory, but soon to be glory. As you can tell, fenders are all gone. Door is going to be replaced. He actually has a replacement door. That's the driver's side door. He's going to replace this door because it was so rotted on the inside. As you can see, here's some of the pink paint that's been uncovered. The whole car has been blocked, sanded. You can see the Bondo in the back that he's still got to get to. Let's see, I think this side has got the same. So they got to dig that out, figure that out. Let's see, the fenders have all been sandblasted like the door. This is the door. You can see some more of the pink paint on the door. Hopefully you can hear me because I forgot my my microphone, and you hear the heater going because it's extremely cold outside. So the fenders are over there. I'll take a walk around. He's got a bunch of cars in here to get worked on. He's got a 50 Ford sitting here, a Corvette that he's working on, Thunderbird. I think that's a 57 Thunderbird. There's my fenders and trunk lid right there. I'm sitting here looking at them, but not making sure that the camera is on them. So there's the fenders. I don't know why there'd be holes in the fender. Deck lid, the boot. So there's those. And you said the hood is getting blasted. Okay, sweet. All right, guys, so I'm in Jeff's showroom. We walked around, looked at all the projects and stuff that he's got going on. This is a 60 whatever 3 Corvette. It's not really my jam, but he's got some door panels and stuff here. This is his showroom, all 55 Crowns and stuff. I'm gonna get out of his hair. You know, he's trying to run a business, and I'm sitting here jibber jabbering with him the whole time. Hopefully you guys got a good idea of the extent of the work that's getting done on the Ford. But yeah, pretty happy with the progress. Thought I'd see a little bit more paint work ready to go, but you know, he's swamped in there with other cars. So I'm sitting here editing this Ford video, and unfortunately I lost a couple of videos again to this danged old GoPro not working the way it's supposed to work. I just want to kind of go over, because what I have video of the car is really minute. I just want to go over what is supposed to be done with the car, or what has left to be worked on while I was up there. He's still got to change the brakes out, still got to do wiring, still got to do the interior, still got to do the front cross member, and of course paint. And when I was in his showroom, I don't know, when I'm looking at this video, kind of felt as though the car should have been further along than it was. But then I realized if it was me working on that car, all that work that still needs to be done would take probably a lifetime. But with him and his shop and his guys, most of it it's maybe a day's work here, day's work there, not including the paint. Obviously the paint is going to take longer than that. But the brakes and the cross member, that's just cutting out, welding it back in, that kind of stuff. The wiring, it might take a couple of days. So I'm sitting here looking at it, and I think I looked dejected in the video about the progress. But Jeff reassured me that the car will be done by March. It's still on schedule. Looking like we might be a little over budget because of the metal work and stuff that we didn't account for. Plus I've added some stuff. I want to put power steering in it and possibly air conditioning, vintage air. So that's going to add a little bit of time and work. So hopefully the car is done by March. There's a Ford show down here, and I want to take it to the Ford show for it to be its first show. So back to the original video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to walk outside, get blasted with cold air. But if you like this old Ford stuff coming around, you should be ready. March time frame, he says we're still on schedule. He reassured me it's still on schedule. So March time frame should be picking it up. It's going to be pink and black. It's going to have some new Kragers with some fat white walls and that kind of stuff. So if you like this kind of stuff, like, tag, share, follow. Holy moly, it's cold. And subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like always, till next time, thanks a lot.